Fluid Lock liquid sorbent is for water-based fluids and provides an unheard of sorbent capacity. 250 times its own weight. 1 pound will soak up over 30 US gallons of water. One 3-pound shaker carton, as seen in this video, will encapsulate over 90 US gallons. Just watch what this teaspoon of Fluid Lock will do. This amazing sorbent encapsulates this water-based chemical, eliminating any freestanding liquid, instantly turning it into a safe, rubbery gel compound that is easily picked up and disposed of, and so little was required. Fluid Lock truly encapsulates the liquid. The liquids are held in a matrix, which will not leak or drip back out again, even under pressure. Fluid Lock instantly works on all water-based liquids and liquid wastes, like cleaners, including alcohol, soda, milk, pet messes, blood, body fluids, vomit, and much more. Request your free sample and provide your employees the right product for a tough job. Visit our website, wicksorbents.com, or call 800-248-7007.